Hi guys, welcome to Navi's StockMarketMojo.com market recap, um, where traders like myself discuss the market day, give our opinions, how we traded today, and take your questions and answers. How you doing, Virgil? Welcome everybody. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Okay, see if I can set this down a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Good. It bottomed out yesterday. We gave the oil trade yesterday in chat in our private Twitter alerts, and we're up 50% on the oil trade. Yeah, it was on the direct private Twitter text message. So it told us to get into the to the oil ETF, and our calls are up 50% from yesterday on that bounce in oil. And yeah, welcome everybody. Welcome StockMarketMojo.com. I'm your host Navi, your friend, and hey, we had some few nice plays today. Few nice plays, guys. We hit CMG puts yesterday. I gave you guys. It was in my periscope. We got them at $3.50, the 500 put. This morning we closed them out at 11.50, guys. 350 to 11.50 one day. Okay, that was our 200% Chipotle Mexican grill. They collapsed with the E. coli news. Yesterday I alerted the puts right before the stock collapsed. My guys got them in at 350. This morning I alerted sell at a 200% profit, and they got them out at 11.50. So we banked 200% on Chipotle Mexican grill on those burritos. And then we had another beautiful stock that was amazing, and it went 200%. It was Sorrento Pharmaceuticals. And I mean, the thing just exploded. Let me show you that. SRNE. And you guys have a look at that one and dig it for yourself and see what the hell that thing did today. Look at that thing. 200% on the options. Sorrento Therapeutics. Right there. Bam. So we hit 200% winners today, guys. Two of them. And we hit 50% on the oil ETF. So, I mean, we were literally on fire, Tim. Literally on fire. Yeah. Tim, if you can, I got the holiday specials up right now. If you click my link, stockmarketmojo.com, click the specials. They'll hook you up for $1.99 a month, or sign up the quarterly. That's $5.75, even cheaper. You pay for it in one trade. CMG paid for it in one trade today. SRNE was your bonus, and the oil ETF was your bonus. So the thing is that this is the time where the plays are working, and it's just, you got to take advantage when it's hot. It's hot right now, and you hop on it, you make your money. So, and we have a few other plays. We had Nike. Oh my God, Nike blew it up today. We had Nike. The weeklies are up 100%, and the monthlies that I gave, those are up 50% already. So we had 4 for 4, basically from the last 3 days. We hit 4 for 4 on these big hits. We may see a correction. We may see a little pullback. But the thing is that every day there's stocks going up and down. It's just our job to find a good position, whether it's going up or down, and ride it. And we were able to ride that with the Mexican grill and SRNE today. SRNE just shot out of the box today. Look at this. And it just bam. I mean, it was just crazy. Here we go. You see the daily chart on it. We alerted it last week, or basically on Thursday. We alerted it. It went 200%. And then we hit 50% on the options. Sorrento Therapeutics. 200% when it was beaten down at the 750 level, and we're like, hey, this thing is gonna pop. And look at that, bam, 3 days. All right, so that was our play of the day, Sorrento, and of course CMG. I'll show you CMG on the charts, what it looked like on the chart. We've been following it. We've been following it from the on-balance volume as it's been coming out of the stock. When the on-balance volume indicator is coming out, we see our downtrend line. It's continuing. And then we finally see our other two indicators, which is the accumulation, what is that? Distribution line. And look at that. That thing just collapsed. So they were trying to accumulate to get this thing to rally, but the CDC came out and said no. E. coli everywhere. So we got 3 more states of E. coli, and sure enough, I alerted these puts yesterday when the stock was at around 530 level, 525 level. They got them in at 350, and boom, 1150 this morning, and the CCI confirming the down move as well. So it was a perfect setup, and of course, Navi alerted it, and my subs had it, and of course, if you guys watched the video last night on Periscope, you guys had it as well, that this is what was going to go down today. And it went down exactly like, I said that it was going to go down. And, thankfully, I am thankful that my homework, my chart study, and just my psychology study of the market is coming together. And I'm able to read this tape and able to call these plays that are making the subs hundreds of % on a daily basis. And, I would like basically more of you guys to participate. I know you guys are my followers. I have over 1,000 followers over the last few years. And I feel this is a good opportunity to get these holiday specials in front of you guys, and hopefully get more of you signed up before the end of the year, because right now, obviously, you can see the moves. There's some stocks that are moving, and they're making us money. And we find the one that moves basically on a daily basis. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to show you the guys that took those plays. And what they've been talking about. Nike, they took Under Armour, they took Nike today or yesterday, and CMG, just a whole bunch of retweets. I mean, when you go on my Twitter, you'll see that. Whole bunch of retweets and people that took the trade and how they did. I know Raj killed it on the CMG puts. He's probably in here, and you guys can talk to Raj as well. All right. So, and he's a must follow, by the way. V, how you doing? Hopefully you got that CMG. Sharna, welcome. And yeah, so good to see you guys. Good to see you. Okay, I'm going to turn this around and see if we can. There we go. All right, we'll put it right here and take your Q&As. Okay. All right, guys. So, get the button up. Look good for you guys. All right, what do we have? So, Sharna, you saw the video last night. You saw the CMG play. We put them out there, 350, 1150 this morning. We got out. We had Sorrento Therapeutics from 3 days ago. We got them in at $1 this morning. They're 250. I think they even hit 3. I have a few runners left, so I think I'm going to ride that thing to 20. I mean, it's just blew up today on the volume. And of course the oil ETFs were doing great as well. Nike went crazy, and that's gonna score for us another 100% tomorrow. It was up like 40% today before the earnings. So even before the earnings, we're up 40%. If we took profits there, that's perfect too. So those are some of the plays just coming down, and they're just blowing it up, and hopefully the rest of the market will turn as well. Hopefully Apple will participate. Google will participate. Google was up another $6 today, so Google is continuing to run, and hopefully some of the others will participate as well. So we'll have a broad-based Santa rally, not just in the money on CMG and on Sorrento and Nike and a few of the others that we're doing good in, but on broad base, so everybody makes money no matter what they have. My time is West Coast. I'm West Coast, but I can obviously 3 hours is New York difference, right? So if you guys are East Coast, I mean, I'm up at 5:30 Pacific time, which would be 8:30 your time. And I've got my market recap done. And you get pre-market before the market opens at 9:30 in East Coast time. You have the pre-market wrap for the day. What looks good? What we want to do, and then during the day you'll get private text alerts from my Twitter. Yeah, Central Time. So you're maybe 2 hours difference from me, and so you'll have them first thing in the morning before the market opens, like half hour before market opens. You'll have my pre-market wrap. And once you have the wrap, you know what's up and what are the trades we're going to be in and what are we looking at. And then during the day, you're getting my text alerts off the Twitter, my direct private Twitter. And, just like my subs did for Sorrento and for CMG and for the oil ETFs I gave them and some of the other big plays. It's every other day we have a huge play. And then on a weekly basis, we've had stocks going 600 to 1,000%. Our Harman puts went 1,000% today over the last week. I covered that in the video last night. The Harman puts, how in 1 week they went 1,000%. So and Harman's still going down. Good job, Green. Thank God Almighty. Thank you. I'm glad you got them, and I'm glad. It was great for you. We played them 4 times. One was break even. 3 times we hit it out of the park. 200 to 1,000%. 3 times. So definitely CMG, and don't forget Sorrento, guys. It's still going. Maybe on a pullback. SRNE. Look at that thing. Look at that thing on a pullback. It's a rocket ship. I gave you guys 3 days ago 750. Just killed it today, right? So yeah. Good. All right. Just raise your stops. That's all I can say. Don't leave money on the table. If it pulls back, at least have your profit. Yeah. RLYP, very, very good news this week, obviously. Very good news. This is what I did today, Green. And when I booked my profit on CMG, I rolled it into the Jan 35s on RLYP, on the dip. So I added on the dip. They were like $1.10, something like that. Yeah, I added on the dip. Yeah. I've had months where I'm up, 20, 30 G's. Yeah. RLYP is going to be long term, right? It's longer term. We're thinking January buyout, but to be cautious, January, March. Have staggered out. January to March calls will be good on RLYP, in my opinion. Just so you guys know, I booked the CMG profits and I put them into RLYP today. Yeah, when they dipped, the RLYP dipped down to 26, that's when I got them in. So, I'm still not, I haven't lost faith in RLYP, but like I told you, that, don't go all in, right? 5%, no more than that. Yeah. Well, we discussed them. If you go on my site, stockmarketmojo.com, you'll see my videos, and my picks are listed over there. Yeah. Yeah, it's some form they filed for a loan that they don't need any longer. So it's all good. RLYP is looking good to me. To me, it looks good. The shorts can try to push us, but to me, it looks good, right? Yeah. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's all I can tell you on RLYP. I know there's a lot of people pumping it, and I genuinely like the due diligence that I did. I genuinely like the FDA approval, so I am long. Okay? If the buyout happens, great. If it doesn't happen, I got in at 22, right? So, I'll hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it. There you go. There he is. Boom, boom. Raj, the man that hit CMG today. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, or maybe not. You just don't know which way the market is going to push there, Samir. You just don't know. Yeah. On my options, it's in the hundreds, it's in the thousands of percent on options. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, good if you're observing stops. Yeah, good. Yeah, have some calls. Yeah, just have some calls. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting some March, February or March. I'm thinking my next purchase. So right now I bought about a few, about like 10. So I mean, February, March, I might get some more. Yeah, good, good. That's smart. Raj, he's a very good trader, guys. Follow him. Follow him. He's a very good trader, very astute. Yeah. Raj, hopefully you guys got into some Sorrento. I gave you guys 3 days ago. SRNE. Man, that thing is a killer. Short squeeze today, like what, 3 million shares, something like that. It killed it today. Killed it. 200% today. I was buying today. Yeah, Raj, I think Raj, me and you were buying what, the 35s, right? Yeah, the 35s is what we got. But yeah, Raj is very, very good. Yeah. Yeah. So SRNE, I have it. I have SRNE. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. Raj is an awesome man. He's a great trader. Yeah, great trader. Man, it feels good. It feels good. Have two big, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers on the board, with CMG, with SRNE, with our oil ETF, it's up 50%, with Nike. I mean, we just, kicking butt, right? Even Google moving for us, up $6. Google's going to go. I mean, it's going to go 800. We just got to be positioned, you know? So, I mean, we're just firing it right now. I mean, we're just, our stocks, our picks, literally, they're just on fire the last few days. And market has been shittier than shit. I mean, imagine how bad the market has been. Market has been so bad. I mean, honestly, guys, if this was just a little bit decent market, we'd be batting freaking 500% every day. I mean, the market stinks right now. You see it. They don't want to move. Disney doesn't want to move. Apple doesn't want to move. When has that ever happened? This is not a normal market. I have to work really hard to get you guys the trades. Really, really hard. And my homework is twice as much as my normal homework. I'm up till 1 in the morning doing homework for you guys to find these trades. SRNE, man, I had to look at that chart until I was like teary-eyed. And then I'm like, oh, that's like a triangle wedge. I'm like, that was a triangle wedge. I said, one spark on that triangle wedge at 750 is gone. And I sent that alert. Thursday, I sent you, Raj. And all the subs. Thursday, V. I said, this is a triangle wedge. It's going to go. And it went. Today it went, right? Yeah. It was at about 1 in the morning I found it. 1 in the morning. I sent you guys at 6:30 in the morning. Yeah. So the thing is, I have to work extra hard to find these plays because the market is not normal. It's not rational. Star Wars has made everything that the ESPN lost and more, and all of their movies are going to make way more than that, and all the risk from Star Wars is out of the stock, and the stock is down, right? Market is not rational. Relipsa has got all good news. All drugs are on sale. Their sales reps are hired. They're kicking ass like crazy, and Relipsa is down, right? Market is not rational, guys. It's a difficult market. Let Navi be your guide. I guided through CMG. I guided through SRNE. I guided through the oil ETF. I guided through Nike. I mean, I went and I found to guide you guys around the crap that the market is shoveling. Market shoveling crap right now. Simple as that. He sucks. Tim Sykes sucks. He's never called anything. He just sells a newsletter. Yeah, he's never called anything. Did you know Tim Sykes, when he started out as a trader, somebody hired him to trade their money. He lost all the money. So that's why all he does is write a newsletter. That's it. Yeah, he sucks. Okay. And that's just not me. That's everybody. You can ask anyone. Yeah. It's in distribution. I mean, you can look at it, but I would look at my time frame of February. I would not go any sooner than Feb. Yeah. Yeah. Some big hedge fund hired Tim Sykes, and he lost him everything, and he got fired. Yeah, that's how good Tim Sykes is. It sucks. Okay. So the thing is that you guys see me, you guys see my performance day in and day out. You guys can take a look at yourself. How many are 200% or more? More than half. More than half of the stuff I've given you guys is 200% or more. I mean, it's in there. It's in the videos. Look it up. I don't know. I don't know Tia Lopez. That person I do not know. I do not know. But I can just vouch for myself. Really, I don't want to say bad things about anybody. It's about the homework. It's about the research. It's about how hard you're willing to work. I've been working hard for many, many years, and now I'm working twice as hard. Yeah, twice as hard to get you guys through the shit that the market is shoveling right now. The market is shit, pardon my French. It is really, really brutal shit out there. It'll take your money in 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds it'll take your money. Yeah. Uh, didn't make their earnings, and that's it. Was single digit stock. Not interested right now. I've got a couple, I had a single digit, is going to go to double digit, SRNE. That was my lowest stock that I had. And then I have Akiba Therapeutics. That was in under 10, and it's at 12 now. I gave that last week. Yeah. So Akiba and SRNE are my lowest price stocks, $10 level, and they're gonna rocket in the new year, rocket and rolling. And of course, I don't follow that one. Samir, I don't follow that. Yeah, yeah. I see it on the board. That's GYP. I see it, but I've never followed it. Yeah. Obviously, you followed the white coat mafia. That guy, he's got good due diligence. He can answer all your questions on Relipsa. He's a pretty good due diligence guy. But again, this is a long-term game, guys. Yeah, don't think it's gonna happen overnight. If it happens overnight, great. Have some calls. Have some calls that if you wake up and it's done, it's done. It's happened to me at least 10 times. At least 10 times. I woke up and I had calls and it got bought out. 10 companies in my trading career. 10 companies happened to me already. 10 times I woke up and it was bought out. 10 times. So it'll happen for you guys. It'll happen for you. It happened to me last year with Jiva. It happened to me last year with Kythera. It happened to me last year with Health Networks, HNT. I wake up and it's bought out. And I was, fortunately for me, I was in there. And it's just the way it is, man. You got to be in there to get that. So one morning we're going to wake up and it might be done. But the thing is, if it's not done and we're burning premium, then be ready for that. Yeah, be ready for that because it's both sides. Because you're taking a high risk, but you're thinking you're going to hit that 50 grand, 100 grand jack, right? So you're risking a couple of grand and you're saying, hey, I'm willing to take that 2 grand risk, right? I mean, I am. I mean, everybody's got different risk tolerance. Some guy's going to risk $200. Some guy's going to risk 20 grand. They're all different levels. Me, I'll say, maybe I'll risk 3 grand, on Relipsa. Okay, if it hits 75,000, 25, an option. I put 3,000 options out there. Hey, fine. I'm happy with 75 grand, right? But if my 3 grand burns to the ground, am I okay with that? Yeah, I'm okay with that. Because, if lose is 3 grand and win is 75, for me, that's okay. But it's different for everybody. It's different for everybody. So you just have to answer those questions. Yeah. Well, the thing is that if I have a 35 strike and it gets bought at 65, right? So I'm getting what, $30 per contract? Yeah, if I have like a, 2,000 or 3,000 worth of contracts, right? Something like that. Yeah. So you can figure it out. $75 a share. You're making like $40, per contract, and you're buying, say, 10 or 20 contracts, so you make 80 grand, right? Yeah, something like that. So that's the take on Relipsa, guys. So let's see who else we have in here. We have Rob, Big Poppy, Raj, Samir, Christopher, Sharna, Slim, and Timothy. Good. So Timothy, hopefully I can get you to sign up for the holiday special. Join us. Join our team. Follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1, and I can direct message you. That way you'll be all set up with my private alert. Yeah. You got it, man. That killed it. That killed that thing. That's like $3,500 on one. Something like that. Yeah. Good job, man. Good job, Raj. That was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah. And so yeah, so I want to get Tim signed up. Yeah, Virgil, hey, sign up, buddy. Get in. This is your time. Every day, you guys are missing out on something hot. I tell ya. Yeah, take a look at it. It's a specials page, stockmarketmojo.com. Click on specials. Yeah. Yes, Raj is on there. Raj is my customer, guys, not and my buddy and my friend and my follower and my customer. Listen to him. Listen to Raj. He'll tell you what the plays. He'll tell you what I gave him. He'll tell you. He'll tell you. Yeah, he got the 525. I got the 500s, so I got paid 11. But he got paid, 3,500, $4,000 to put, something like that. Yeah, he killed it. He killed it. Yeah. Yeah. So, hey. And Sharna, I want to get Sharna in here. Sharna, it's about time. We got to get your business. And we got to get you rocking and rolling. Yeah. Yes. It's actually pre-market. Pre-market. Yeah. Pre-market. Because you don't know what the next day is going to be. I mean, next day I'm talking to you right now about tomorrow. Tomorrow I like all our stocks. I like Google. I like Relipsa. I like SRNE. I like, CMG going down further. But in the morning, once the upgrades and downgrades are out, then we know what's up, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Sign up. Sign up and be sure to send me a message, direct message at NaviAvatar1 on Twitter. So I will add you to my DM list. Once you're on my DM list, you get the alerts same way as Raj and everybody else. Yeah. Sign up on stockmarketmojo.com specials. Okay, click the specials. They come through my private Twitter. So follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. Okay? It'll come like a text message, like a direct message from Twitter. Okay? It's just like a text message. But it comes on your DM, on your Twitter DM. And it'll be a pre-market, what's going to happen, what I see, where I see the market going, what stocks look good, what got upgraded, what got downgraded, all of that stuff. And then as soon as I'm ready to buy or sell something, I will send the alert and I will say, hey, this is what we want to get. Okay? So throughout the day, you'll get those. Yeah. So I want to get Tim, I want to get Samir, I want to get Sharna. Hopefully you guys can sign up with the holiday specials and add you part of the team of traders at stockmarketmojo.com. We had a huge day today. Hopefully we'll continue to have these big days. It's a difficult market. You guys are out there. You can try playing it. It's $199 a month, Samir, or you can sign up for the quarterly. That's $575 for the quarter. Yeah, that's probably a better deal. Yeah. Yeah, so I would sign up for any of those guys. Yeah, yeah. Win is looking good. It's looking good on the upside for right now. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, definitely, Samir. Let's get you on board. And what's up with Sharna? I haven't heard from her. Sharna, are you out there? Are you listening? Okay. If you're listening, let's see some hearts. Let's see some hearts from Sharna. Yeah. Tim, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, Tim, I'll set up a Skype. Follow me on Twitter and I'll DM you that info. Okay. Follow me on Twitter. Yeah, yeah, and Raj can help too. Yeah, follow me on. Yeah. All right, there's the hearts. All right, thank you, thank you. So, another day. Another 200%, CMG, SRNE, and Miss Sharna, missing in action. I was even waiting for your DM on at NaviAvatar1, so I could have seen if I saw something broad stroke that I could send you without, that was not a subscription type of thing. I could still send you, but you didn't follow me, so I couldn't even send you that. That I could see, hey, the market looks good here. The SPY looks good. There's some kind of commentary I could have sent you where people were saying SPY is dumping. Everybody's saying SPY is going to dump. And I'm like, nope. And look at the SPY. 160 up again, right? Yeah. So, But let's have you sign up, huh? Soon, Sharna. Let's get you in for the holidays. You don't want to miss out on these 200% days. All right. So I want to get Samir, Sharna, and Tim. Tim, I'm gonna have I'm gonna do a Skype with Tim and show him how that works. Okay, good. All right, Chief. All right, Chief. This is a great Big Poppy. All right, all right. Thank you, Big Poppy. Here, I'll follow you too. I'll follow you too, buddy. All right. Raj has been one of my best supporters, best subscribers, bar none, and he can testify the plays that he's taken. He can tell you about the price line, 2 to 10 last week. He can tell you, you know, all of the stuff that we've been doing. He gets it before anybody else. You know, he gets it with all their subscribers. Good job. Thank you, Raj. I appreciate that. Appreciate it. So hopefully we can get a few of the not new followers, but a few of the followers like Samir, like Sharna, like Tim to sign up. And yeah, CLR bounce, you know, obviously after paying 1,000%. Yeah, but it paid us 1,000% or 100, and you keep raising your stop, you know, it's still gonna pay you. And HAR is still in play today. See, still paying you today. HAR, don't let that one go. Yeah, watch that, Raj. That's still in play, baby. Yeah, still in play. All right. All right. So, I'm gonna. Good. Tim, you're in. Okay. Let me look you up. Okay. Tim is in. All right. Tim. Okay. All right, Tim. Tim, I'm following you now. Okay. So Tim, great. DM me, Tim, your Skype, and see if I can get that set up, and then we'll conference you in just a little bit, and get that set up for you. Okay. We'll get Tim set up. All right. So we'll welcome Tim. Tim is going to be hopefully joining the team, and let's get Slim. Slim, we want your business, Virgil, and hopefully we can get Sharna and Samir as well. That would be great. That would be a good holiday push for the new followers, for the new subscribers. That would be good. All right. So thank you again, guys. Yeah, this is daily stock market wrap. What happened in the stock market today, and what we see going forward. And we hold this class every night on Periscope, and we share ideas, what you guys like, and you know, take your questions and answers. So hopefully you have, yeah. Chief, yes, I got you. You know, any questions I can answer for you, or I can get you in my subscription plan, I would welcome that. You know, we're having the holiday specials, and we want to sign up new followers, new members. Okay, so hopefully we can get your business. You should do both. Because you know, I mean, school is working on yourself, and investment obviously is working on your future. So, you know, I think they go hand in hand. Really, you shouldn't ignore either one. You should do both. Definitely. Okay. Yes. That's right. All right. Well, great. Well, we had a good turnout today, guys. Okay. Car payment comes first. You got to travel, right? Unless you're Ubering, Uber or Lyft. Yeah. Otherwise, you got to do the car, right? Takes you back and forth to work. Yeah. Back and forth to work. All right. I'm going to leave this replay up for you guys, so you guys will have it. Also on YouTube, go check out my website on the videos. They're all up there. It's really a good study to get yourself set up for the market, for the trading day. Well, to answer your question, those are personal choices. Yeah. It's just short covering, and then if oil tanks again, it's going to go down. I'm here, Horatio. I'm here. No problem. No problem. The market opens at 9:30 New York time, 6:30 West Coast time. Love CNC. Up every day, right? Since Navi put a buy last week, it's up every day. Yeah, we're up 250% on CNC options. 250% from last week. Yeah, we're still in it. Love CNC. Healthcare provider, Obamacare, signing up members like crazy. Earnings, they just came out, and this year our earnings are through the roof. What's not to like? It's a free gift to you guys, to the followers. Free gift. Not in HCA. Don't know much about them. Don't know much about HCA. But overall, the healthcare stocks are doing okay. Overall, I like the sector. I like, they're making money. They're earning money. I like the sector. Yeah, definitely. UA, they got beaten down, but I think with Nike, it should rally tomorrow. They got beaten down to the 78. I hope you got some at 78. And then you'll already up on it. Yeah. They had some deal with Gilead. I think it's a 10-year out deal. Don't chase it. It may come right back. Yeah, it may come right back to the 110. But we'll have to see. Yeah, it's some deal that's going to come to fruition in 2026. So we don't know. Nobody really knows what's up with that. And it was late in the day that they ramped it up. But yeah, PayPal. Kind of solid at these levels, but it's just kind of consolidating in the 30s. Me personally, no, but Raj got some. Yeah, Raj got some today. Yeah, because I told him to get Nike, and he got UA as a sympathy play, which I think is fine. I had recommended a couple of books for you guys, right? I had them right here. I just put them right here. Trade's about to happen. It was the modern adaptation of the Wyckoff method. I recommended this reading. And I also recommended Flash Boys by Michael Lewis. Those were my recommendations for any serious trader. Please go ahead and read that stuff. Yeah. Oh, it's really great. Raj, really open your mind. Yeah, you're welcome. Welcome, Regio. So, Regio, just to recap, CMG on puts, we alerted yesterday. They were $3, $3.50. Today we closed them at $11.50 when CMG took a dump. So it was like 300% profit on one day. Sorrento Therapeutics, we alerted the calls 3 days ago, and 200% up today. Sorrento Therapeutics, SRNE. And the oil ETF we alerted yesterday up 50%. And Nike we alerted yesterday 100% on the weekly, 50% on the monthly. So, we had one winner after another today. It was just a really great day. And for the market, it was kind of crappy. They really didn't go anywhere. Netflix was down. Amazon was down. Tesla was down. A lot of stuff was down. Market is doing crap. Yeah. All right, man. All right, Regio. Thank you. I'll take it as a compliment. CLR went from 30 to 20 yesterday, right? In a week. 30 to 20. You guys had that 1,000% right there. HAR went from 100 to 88 today, right? In a week. HAR, week and a half. 1,000% HAR. Yeah. The thing is that, I'll give you stuff that's going to hit 1,000%, but, you got to be patient, right? Raise the stops. Work that trade. That's how the big guys do it. I'm telling you, I'm teaching you guys how the hedge funds play. The hedge funds is not going to cover. When they're short at 100, they're not going to cover till maybe a 70. Yeah. The chat room is right here. This is every night we talk, but the alerts are on your Twitter feed, on your private direct message Twitter. It comes direct to you, just like a text message. You get it, it pops up on your phone. You're like, shit, I got to buy CMG puts. That's it. You run, you buy. That's it. You're done. Next morning, I pre-market. If it's dumping, I said, take your profit. You're done. Easy. Yeah, I give him pre-market. I said, Raj, we're up. Dump that baby 200%. Raj is like, it's done. That was it. That's how it works. Alert in, alert out. If you're up 100%, you don't even have to text me. You can say, hey, I'm up 100%, I'm dumping. That's fine with me. Take your profit. Anytime you see a profit, take your profit. If you think it's going to pull back, take your profit. Then revisit it, watch it. You can get back in. If the trade continues to go, you get back in. It's a very exhaustive, long process to teach that. It's 25 years that I've took me to learn. Yeah, 25 years. But I can do private consultation. You know, it's goes by the hour. You know, expensive. I do actually do it for mutual funds, hedge funds, big guys. Yeah, charge them for like $1,500 for 4 hours, something like that. Yeah, yeah. So really show them how you know, teach them private consultation. But for you guys, you know, I get the free class. You know, I give it away for free for you guys. And you know, yeah. So I look at these trades. I mean, I look at them till my eyes are like, you know, till 1 in the morning, and I come up with these plays, and you know, it's one after another. Soon I'm gonna have Raj put a table together, and we'll put them on the website. You know, CLR and everything that went for 1,000%. We'll put it up there so you guys can take a look. Baba's still consolidating. That 85 level is trying to break out. Trying to break out. If it breaks, it's 94. Yeah, breaks that 85, 86, it's 94. Yeah. It's kind of, you know, once it goes, it goes. But it's trying. It's trying, yeah. It's trying. Yeah. He's on it. You guys better follow Raj. He's on it. This guy knows his stuff. Yeah, I mean they're playing it. They're putting it together. You know, they throw stuff at it. You know, these these hedge fund guys are gamblers. I mean, they'll throw stuff at it. You know, which see if it sticks. You know, they're buying puts like crazy, right? On Friday, the hedge funds. What happened? Nothing, right? Navi was right. Sandarelli. They don't know more than you and me. They don't. They don't know jack shit. You know, they don't know. It's just they're taking a guess. Okay, maybe an educated guess. We have our charts. We have our psychology. We have, you know, just a more research. I think, you know, compared to the average fund guy. You know, he's a young 25-year-old kid. You know, he's not really serious about this stuff. You know, I take it very seriously. So you know, that's the difference. You know, stuff like that. All right, who else do we have? We have Horatio. Horatio, hopefully we can get your business. And Sharna, we got to have Sharna sign up. Rob, hopefully we can get Rob in here. And Slim. Virgil, right? Virgil, when can we get you to sign up? So we can start alerting you all the top plays. Hopefully soon, right? Hopefully soon. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going to take your leave, guys. Yeah, hopefully soon. I'm going to take your leave, and I'm going to send Tim a message on the Skype. Let's see, hopefully I can answer some of his questions, and yeah, and see where we can go. Okay. All right, Virgil, let's get you in there. Okay. Any questions? Send me on my Twitter. Okay, terrific. Terrific. Yeah. And yeah, exactly. Take things slow, guys. That's the best advice. Best advice. Okay. Have a great evening. I will see you guys in pre-market tomorrow. Okay? All right. All right. Take care. All right. Bye-bye. Good night.